The Indian kitchen is unique. Our cooking utensils, the shape and size of our kitchens, and the foods we prepare are all unique. European drawers and organizers are just not designed for daily use in an Indian kitchen. That's why, at Godrej, we decided to invent a new kitchen storage experience for the modern Indian user. Presenting Skido, a range of drawers and organizers, designed and engineered specially for the Indian kitchen and homemaker. Born out of deep research into Indian kitchen habits, the Skido range consists of a system of drawers and organizers, each playing a different role. And together, they take the Indian kitchen from here to here. A perfectly organized, space-saving and elegant kitchen storage environment. The best part is, the Skido range is both customizable and scalable, so that you can change things around whenever your needs change. The drawers come in 3 different sizes. Built to last, they are the base that allows you to achieve perfect organization. The organizers precisely fit inside these drawers only. The cutlery organizer cuts away the typical mess to give you a neatly arranged, user-friendly space. Its movable flaps give you options in organizing your kitchen your way. Fixing the problems of odd-shaped cups and top space wastage, the cup and saucer organizer is a design innovation. It can hold all sizes of cups and frees up space for another cup tray on top, while smartly creating some side space too. Your tin and steel containers need not be an eyesore anymore. With the container organizer that has special sliding flaps, letting you choose an arrangement that works for you. A solution to clutter, the jars and bottles organizer lets you arrange your smaller jars and bottles. With 3 trays that bring order and neatness to your jars. And the utter mess of different sized plates all stacked differently, the thali organizer is the answer. Just move its special yellow separators to achieve an elegant arrangement of your thalis of all sizes. Storing frying pans meant needless space occupied and even chipping. The fry pan organizer cures this. Your pans stack intelligently, actually creating extra storage space. Storing woks and kadhais can be so inconvenient. Not with the Skido wok and kadhai organizer. Its smart design means you get easy use and efficient space utilization. Flexible to suit your needs, the Skido range of drawers and organizers is a revolution for the Indian kitchen. Creating space, increasing your productivity, saving you time and energy with its intelligent and elegant organization. With Skido, your kitchen takes its rightful place as the heart of your home. Skido, smart kitchen drawers and organizers from Godrej.